Good morning, students. Yesterday we learned about subtraction facts and how to check answer of subtraction by using addition operation. And today we will learn how to solve word problems. Let us solve exercise 3.2, that is our word problems. Word problems are like story sums. Just a short story will be given in form of a problem and you will find the solution. To solve story sums or problem words, first of all read the statement 2 or 3 times, understand what is the question asking and what the question is telling, information, what important information the question is telling, and then we will write important lines, important things what is given, and then we will solve. Let us start 3.2 exercise. First question: Amit buys a box containing 150 marbles. He gives away 38 red marbles, 51 blue marbles and 42 yellow marbles. How many marbles are left? Left word is subtraction word, as I told in starting. Now again we will understand the statement. Total marbles are 150 and marbles given away 38, 51, 42. First we will add marbles given away 38 plus 51 plus 42. Then we get total marbles given away, and then we will subtract that number from 150. In this way we will solve this question. Let us start. Total marbles, we will write only information that is used in question. Important other we will leave, unwanted statement, only important we will write, which will give you information. Total marbles 150. Now marbles given away. Which are red plus blue plus yellow. You will see the numbers for red marbles 38 plus blue marbles 51 plus yellow marbles 42. Now find their total. 38 plus 51 plus 42. We will find total of given marbles. Okay. 38 plus 51 plus 42. You can add inside. Now 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11, 1 carry plus 3 numbers, 3 plus 5 plus 8 4, 9 12 plus 1 13. So marbles given away 131. Now what you will find? How many marbles are left? Means now left marbles will be total marble, total minus given away. 150 minus 131. You can do subtraction inside. By taking borrow you will subtract. 19 will come. So total marbles are 19. Now you will write answer. 19 marbles are left. Hope you understand question number 1. First total you will write, given away you will find total of given away, then you will subtract from total and then you will find rest left marbles. Let us solve question number 2. question number 2 is, first we see what is the statement. Shalini purchased a sofa set and a dining table. For rupees 82,000. The dining table cost rupees 32,780. 32,780. Find out the cost of this sofa set. Let us read again. Shalini, one girl or one lady you can say, Shalini purchased a sofa set and a dining table. Means two things she purchased, sofa set and dining table, for rupees 82,000. Means cost of both the items, sofa set and dining table, is 82,000 rupees. The dining table cost rupees 32,780. Means one of the item cost is given 32,780 and the item name is dining table. Find out the cost of the sofa set. Means cost of sofa set you have to find. Let us start. Total cost for sofa set and dining table. Which is 82,000, and the cost of dining table which is equal to rupees 32,780. I have not written correct. I want to see that you see or not. You will write in statement question, always write equal sign below equal sign. Then you will write the number, whether you want to subtract or whether you want to add. If space is there, leave and then write properly, so that you can do addition or subtraction. What operation is doing, you do right. So you want to find out the cost of sofa set. So write down the cost of sofa set, which is equal to, you have to subtract from total the cost of dining table, then you will get cost of sofa set. Now starting from ones place, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 8, we cannot do, it will go to 0, it is not having anything, so it will take from 2, 1 will left, 10 will become first, 9 left, then in last, in tens place, 10 will be there. Now you can subtract 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 7, 2, now 1 minus 2 we cannot do, so we will take borrow, 11 minus 2, 9, 7 minus 3, 4, and write unit. Unit is here rupees, and rupees we will always write before of the number, okay, not at the back. So answer is the cost of sofa set is rupees 49,220. Again I am telling, cost of two items is given, one item is given, cost for another item you have to find. By subtracting we can find cost of other item. If for both item cost is given, you have to subtract one item cost, then you will find answer, right answer in sentence form. Clear? With unit. Unit is here rupees. Let us do question number 3. First we see what is the statement. A DVD cost rupees 17,450 and a TV cost rupees 31,348. What is the difference between their cost? Let us do solution. First, again we will read the statement. A DVD cost 17,450 rupees and TV cost rupees 31,348. What is the difference between their cost? Means you will find difference by subtracting from bigger number, bigger money and smaller money. First you will compare, okay? First you will write cost of DVD player or DVD, that is rupees 17,450. Now the cost of TV, which is equal to rupees 31,348. Now we will compare both the numbers as 31,348 is greater than 17,450. So in difference you do for comparison, okay? Compare to find which number is greater. Most of the students, what they do, that we have written 17,450 upper number and down 31,348. They will not see that which number is greater, which is smaller, can subtraction possible or not. First we see from which number we can subtract, and for that we compare both the numbers and we find which number is greater, that we will write first. Whether in our statement it is given on second number, first number given cost of DVD, for that we will check ourselves, and now we will find the difference in their cost. which will be 31,348 minus rupees 17,450. You will now subtract 8 minus 0, 8, 4 minus 5. We cannot do, so 4 will take borrow from 3. Now 14 minus 5, 9. 2 minus 4, we cannot do, it will again take borrow. 12 minus 4, 8. Now 0 minus 7, we cannot do, so we'll take borrow. 10 minus 7, 3. 2 minus 1 is 1 and rupees is our unit. So we get our answer. You will write difference in cost is rupees 13,898. Hope you understand question number 3.